Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we will be doing an in-depth analysis of ETHUSD based on both the latest news and current market data. Recent news suggests a bearish trend for Ethereum, with its price failing to hold the $3,500 support level. Panic selling has been observed, potentially leading to deeper corrections. However, some analysts still suggest Ethereum may rise again in 2025. Several articles mention different price predictions, ranging from bearish corrections to significantly bullish predictions. Let's begin by examining the daily chart to understand the bigger picture. Notice the recent price decline, failing to hold around the $3,500 mark. The volume increased significantly during this drop, further confirming the bearish sentiment. In contrast, earlier this month, we can observe a period of higher prices, with strong upward momentum marked by higher volumes. Now, let's zoom into the hourly chart to look at shorter-term trends. Observe the volatility in the recent hours, with a series of price fluctuations. These short-term swings can be attributed to intraday trading activities and, potentially, the immediate reactions to news. The 15-minute chart reveals even more granular details. Look at the quick price adjustments. These small price changes often result from individual trades and quick market shifts, making it very difficult to predict what will happen next. These rapid movements are indicative of the overall uncertainty of the cryptocurrency market. Analyzing the support and resistance levels is crucial. Based on the daily chart, the $3,500 mark acted as a key support but was broken. There are other potential support and resistance levels which may appear at some points in the future, but based on the data today, it is difficult to say exactly where. A break below the current level could be a sign for increased bearish activity and deeper corrections. Looking at the hourly and 15-minute charts, we notice that price levels which acted as support or resistance earlier can also fail in the future. One should therefore always have a stop loss and take profit to mitigate the risk of losses. To be bullish in the short term, we would need to see a significant price reversal above $3,500. This would indicate a change in market sentiment and possibly signal further buying pressure. Long-term bullishness hinges on broader market recovery and further adoption of Ethereum. Conversely, a continuation of the bearish trend, with a break below the $3,000 mark, would strongly reinforce bearish sentiment. This could lead to further downward pressure and more extensive corrections. Short-term bearish trades should have stop losses at $3,000, while long-term stop losses may be set based on more information. In summary, crucial price levels to watch are $3,500, former support, now resistance, and $3,000, potential support. There is considerable uncertainty in the market, making predictions challenging. The likelihood of a short-term price increase is moderate, contingent on breaking above $3,500 with significant volume. Long-term prediction depends on various factors. Watch for any major news events, volume changes, and breakouts or breakdowns at key support and resistance levels.